What's up? I am back with another vintage fan, and today I'm featuring a Moss Tropical Breeze Deluxe. Uh, yeah, you see there's no dome on it. That is for a reason. Cause I bought it came with the dome. That broke, and then I bought another one, and that broke. Then I bought another one, and that one came fine, but I tried putting it on, but it just didn't work. So no dome. Of course, CFL. It's got stencil blades, you can see, and there's the sticker. I got this at Habitat Restore a long time ago. There's the light. Low. And you might notice the sound quality is a bit different. I'm using the Apple Earpod mic. So that's pretty cool. This fan does move a decent amount of air. And I like how the vents are too. I always thought that was pretty cool. Low with the light. And it's wobbly because of the mounting bracket I use. It's not a J-hook. It's just a regular ball. Medium. This fan will wobble any day. I don't even know if I screwed them in right. Like, literally, I just put this fan up. This fan is not in my room. You probably could tell that. It's in my fan shop. And another thing is that you can probably see the vents aren't aligned properly. So the motor is in a full circle. And you guys might notice that I have the Bell Canopy edition. Jeez, this baby wobbles pretty bad on medium. That's not a good sign for high. Moves a ton of air, but wobbles quite a bit. See if I can get it. I don't think I could. Spin down's way too long, and I'm going to stop it. You might hear a bit of background noise because the air conditioner is running. Whoops. Let's go from high to low in reverse. Oh shoot, I forgot about the wobble. Can't do this long. And also the reversing switch is kind of weird too. In a cool way, not in a not so good way. And I think this maybe should be low. Let's see. Okay, it's off. I put the fan on high, so I think you guys can see the windings. And then it's gonna wobble, so it might be hard. Turn it off. It actually feels really good when you stop it with the vents. So yeah, that'll be it for this Moss Tropical Breeze Deluxe, and it's spinning down from when I stopped it. So yeah, that'll be it. Thank you for watching. More videos to come.